This truck helped shape the identity of American long-haul trucking and still commands attention decades after its debut. Introduced in the mid-1960s, the W900A emerged as an evolution of the original W900, refining and perfecting the classic American truck profile. Its unmistakably long hood, chrome grille, and square fenders gave it an aggressive and commanding presence on the road. Though technically not a cabover but a conventional model, the W900A became a symbol of power, style, and driver participation among owner-operators who cherished both form and function. Built during a time when durability and utility were paramount, the W900A combined rugged construction with striking aesthetics. Its frame and chassis were engineered to handle intense workloads across unpredictable terrain, making it a favorite in the logging, heavy-haul, and coast-to-coast freight industries. What set the W900A apart from its competitors was not just how tough it was, but how it balanced toughness with comfort. The spacious sleeper cab and intuitive dashboard layout were designed to enhance the long-haul driving experience, offering features that many of today's modern rigs still draw inspiration from. The interior was driver-focused, a mobile command center that respected the road warrior behind the wheel. The W900A wasn't just known for muscle, it became a pop culture icon. Its classic silhouette has appeared in numerous films, television shows, and even music videos, instantly recognized by gearheads and casual fans alike. Perhaps most memorably, the Kenworth W900A starred in the 1977 movie Smokey and the Bandit 2, contributing to its legendary status. Beyond the screen, its real-world reliability further cemented its popularity. Powered by a variety of engines, including the formidable Cummins and Caterpillar, the W900A delivered performance that matched its looks. What also makes the W900A particularly special is its legacy. It marked a transitional point in Kenworth's design philosophy, blending tradition with innovation. The model brought improved aerodynamics, better ride quality, and easier service access compared to its predecessor. It set the groundwork for the current W900A and modern Kenworth trucks that still embody the spirit of the original model. Despite being out of production for years, it remains one of the most sought-after and restored classic trucks in the enthusiast community. Restorers, collectors, and drivers continue to invest time and money into keeping these machines alive, showcasing them at truck shows and on highways with pride. In a world of ever-evolving vehicle design, the Kenworth W900A stands as a timeless monument to American trucking culture. It didn't just carry freight, it carried a legacy. It's not just a truck, it's a rolling tribute to strength, independence, and style that still inspires admiration on every mile of open road.